Breaking news from Afghanistan. A deadly 6.0 magnitude earthquake has struck. More than 800 lives have already been lost. Kunar and Nangarhar provinces are devastated. Entire villages wiped out, hundreds of homes reduced to rubble. Rescue teams are battling blocked roads and dangerous landslides. Official reports confirm at least 812 deaths and nearly 2,800 injured. But with remote areas still cut off, the real toll could be much higher. Military helicopters are flying nonstop. Over 40 evacuation flights have already lifted the wounded to safety. International aid is now arriving, with the UN and neighboring countries rushing in support. This disaster deepens Afghanistan's humanitarian crisis. Stay with Red Blue Bulletin for the latest updates. Like, share, and subscribe for more breaking news.